store leftover silicone caulk so it remains usable the next time you need it. Silicone cures when exposed to moisture in the air, so the key is minimizing air contact and keeping the tube cool. After you finish a bead, squeeze the remaining caulk back toward the cartridge to reduce trapped air, then wipe the nozzle clean. Insert a clean nail or screw into the nozzle tip so the shaft blocks the opening and the head seals against the rim. For caulk tubes with a cap, push the cap on firmly over the fastener and then wrap the entire nozzle in several layers of plastic wrap or a small plastic bag twisted tightly. Store the tube upright with the nozzle pointing upward to let any residual material settle away from the opening and to reduce pressure that might force fresh silicone out. Keep the tube in a cool, shaded place, ideally below 70 degrees Fahrenheit and away from direct sunlight, because heat accelerates curing and can distort the cartridge. When you next need the caulk, remove the nail or screw and trim only the hardened tip if present, and test a small amount on scrap to confirm flow before starting the job. Common problems are forgetting to push residual material back into the cartridge, which leaves a small pocket of air that accelerates curing, so always push the bead back and wipe the nozzle before sealing. People sometimes rely on the factory cap alone, which can be loose or lost, so use a nail or screw plus tight plastic wrap to create a redundant seal. Storing tubes lying on their sides can allow pressure to build and force silicone into the nozzle where it sets, so keep tubes upright to prevent this and reduce mess and waste. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and gives contractors a place to showcase work and connect with customers. We also host a discussion community where we, together with other users, share real-world tips and experiences about materials like silicone and best practices for long-term storage.